Hey guys, welcome to the Sculpt System. I am Simone. I'm your Crossrope Trainer. So in your Sculpt System, you got your half-pound attachments and your 1-pound attachments. I want to go over a couple of things real quick today just to make sure that we keep you safe and healthy while you are sculpting away. So first things first, let's talk about the grip. When we hold onto our handles, we want to place those fingers right around the handles and our thumbs are going to go on top. This is going to help keep us safe. We also want to make sure that we're spinning at the same speed and in the same direction. You can play around with your arm positioning. You can go more forward, you can go a little bit more backwards, you can go out to the side. When you stop them slowly and safely. We don't want anyone to hurt themselves. You can also go backwards. So you can also play around, spinning the attachments backwards, going out to the side, going more forward. So lots of fun things we can do with this. The other thing I want to talk about today, in addition to our grip, how long we're using them for. So in the beginning, for our beginners, it will be good to start off with the half-pound attachment. This will allow your body to get used to everything, to get used to the intervals, and start slow, build your way up. Once you're used to this half-pound, we can move on to the 1-pound attachment. You can also go back and forth between using the half-pound and 1-pound, but initially at the beginning, start with 20 to 30 second intervals, take rest as you need it, and just keep building up from there. All right, welcome to Sculpt System. Happy sculpting, guys.